Sanjay Das. My name is Sanjay Das from Tripura, Maharashtra. College, I Diploma Institute. Thank you.
Thank you. Next.
My name is Abu Bakr Mia. I'm from West Tripura, our College of BSc Nursing.
Hello everyone, my name is Vishwajit Devnath. I am coming from Tripura and BSc Nursing my next course.
My name is Peples from Tripura and college name RK. I'm a College of Nursing. You.
My name is James Deborma. I am from Tripura. My college name is RK Institute of Dancing.
Please mention which subdivision of Tripura you're from. Yeah. And you said you're good in dancing, right? Do you want to dance? Are you okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, so Juice Deverma here is a dancer. So in some time we'll see him perform. Next.
My name is Devajit Devarma from Tripura,
Tripura, which place?
Kamalpur.
See, we all know that you guys are all from Tripura. Please mention the place in Tripura where you're from. Your subdivision, the name of your place. And if you have any hobbies, please tell us. Because at the end of this, we are going to select a Miss Fresher and Mr. Fresher for whoever showcases the talent. And there's lots of
Hello, my name is Ajay Durnath. I am from Tripura. My hobby is cheese.
Which place in Tripura?
Tripura Amarpur.
Any hobbies?
Cheese.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next.
My name is Anu Devarma from Tripura. Place and address.
Tripura, which place?
College, Tirupati,
Hobbies?
Dance.
Dance. Wow, a lot of dancers.
Thank you.
Keep asking the mic.
My name is Santosh Devarma from Tripura, RK Institute for BSc Nursing.
Which place in Tripura?
Agartala.
Hobbies. Next.
Cricket.
My name is Piyoto Chapma from Tripura. Place Manipur.
Hobbies.
Song.
Will you sing for us now?
Christmas.
So the crowd is cheering for you. Masarna Taka. Which place in Tripura are you from? Kamalpur. Hobbies? It's okay, you don't have to mention.
My name is Hiranma Chakra.
No worry, it's okay. All of us are precious here, just think of it that way.
My name is Hiranma Chakra. I am from Tripura. My village name Apsara and my sister study on GNM.
And your hobbies?
Kung kahamja to no, ani ko mo na very Ang o sa kawa are Institute of Technology wa Electronics and Communication of Meeting and Animal Health.
Tripura, which one is?
Pilonia.
Hobbies?
Gardening.
Oh.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jasmine Nakalai and I'm from RP institution.
Which place in Tripura?
Sidhu.
Hobbies?
Sleeping.
Good afternoon, my everyone. Myself, Julie Kolwai. I'm from Tripura, Art Institute of Wrestling. Thank you.
Hobbies, hobbies.
I want to start listening music.
No girl dances in the group. No one dances in the group. Girls, no dancers at all. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm from Tripura, and my institute is Art Institute of Wrestling. And I'm from Tripura, and my place is Summit-4. And my hobby is dance. Thank you. Good afternoon, 11th friends. My name is Rabina Desma. I am from Tripura and I am studying BCA first year. Thank you.
Hobbies, hobbies.
Singing.
My name is Uma Devuma, a BA College Group of CTU, studying GNM first year.
Hobbies? No hobbies. Wow, that's quite a hobby.
Hi everyone, my name is Tripura. I am from Vrindavan College.
Hobbies.
Painting.
Aku pengen main kurang. Naik okras. Every group institute bukan kuintai. Ada mungkin tadi pun dapat man. Ada mungkin kunjung kalau diri ini sekali ambil pado. Anda BCA second semester. Ani hobby kita businessman. Thank you.
My name is John Deverna. I'm from Jambu Jala. I'm studying BSc Biotech in Oxford College of Science. My hobbies are I've been doing b-boying since the last 6 years and into beatboxing also. That's all.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kampati Devrona. I'm from Khorang. I'm studying here.
All the dancers, whoever said dancing was their hobby, just come up and I'm not asking you that. Come on, Haria. But come. Whoever dances, please come up. I'm not going to let you dance right now. Just come up front. Dancers. Dancers. No, I'm not going to make you dance for now. I just want you guys to step forward. All the dancers. Come on, girls. There were a lot of dancers in this group.
Anyone, please, you can join.
Girls, come on, girls. Girls, come on.
Come on, girls.
Girls, dancers.
Power. Come on, girls.
Whoever said
Who wants to dance, you can come up. Who wants to sing, also you can come up.
come on, girls. One, girls, please. Two, girls, please. You said you dance, right? Come on. No, 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 no,
Come on, guys.
Chini kami yes I'm Chini right I've been in this day with the case Keep Chini kami yes I'm Chini Chini kabini bisa jure sudah sampai Zeka, como haces toca, no, like the Motokma, Hipabani, Timati, Brahani, and the Nopa, Tini Pupu, Tini Silla, Yaman, what's a grand person, and number one, Tigo, Yan, Tini Hauta, Tini Kami, yes, and the Chini, hey, besides, hey, Pressa, shit, Chini Kami, yes, and the Chini, really besides, shit, Pressa, Chini Kami, yes, and the Chini. Right, we go take a dog a la moco. I'm not the single to take a sandy Rika, Sana Marika, Tuna Bavijaga, and Cassanzi and Bono, nothing of the answers, don't they don't the other. One Erika Tini, Taku Kuku, to make a big idea.
Wow, guys, that was
जिया जाए ना जाए ना जाए ना और पिया रे जिया जाए ना जाए ना जाए ना और पिया रे धूप आए तो छाँव तुम लाना ख्वाहिशों की बारिशों में भीग संग जाना जो मिले उसमें बाँट लेंगे हम थोड़ी खुशियाँ और आंसू बाँट लेंगे हम जिया जाए ना जाए ना जाए ना और पिया रे जिया जाए ना जाए ना जाए ना और पिया रे Next.
Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much.
Present dari pantai tahun itu kita semua di bangga dan kita orang Tripura orang present of kita Tripura ini. Kami satu di Jawa Tengah Chini Khorang, nupai ko mana teman saya, wahai teman next level itu, alam nangka saya, biji kok cakap dunia. Okay, thank you teman-teman.
Next, Johan.
Why should I be freshers? Well, I should be Mr. Fresher because I love the word and Mr. in front, you know. I was I was 17 before I'm 18 now, I guess I'm a man, right? So yeah, well, I really don't have that name for titles, but on the contest, so I think, I don't know, it's up to you all. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Now you guys can take your seats. The winner will be announced after the costume show. Thank you so much. Thank you. So again, we are going to take one song each because all of these girls have sat in the last round. So they'll take one song each. And after that, you guys have to decide who's going to be the winner. So the one who gets the maximum number of applause and cheers will be the winner. Okay? Who wants to go? Over to Ashmita.
जिया जाए